So what is Microsoft 365 Tenant Resilience? There are 5 components. Restore your tenant configurations after an incident. Microsoft won't restore your tenant configurations after an incident. That's up to you, and it's mission critical. Think of your Microsoft 365 tenant like a glass of water. The water is your data, and the glass is the tenant that holds that data and keeps it secure. And the integrity of that glass is made up of all of your tenant configurations. Both the water and the glass are targeted during cyber attacks. After an incident, you need to be able to quickly see which configurations have been changed or deleted, and then rapidly restore back to a secure state. But almost no one has visibility of these changes, let alone a backup of their tenant configurations. Even if an attacker has only changed one configuration, until you've done a full audit, you will have no idea of what has and hasn't changed, meaning you have no idea whether the glass is suitable to pour the water into. The solution? After an incident, CoreView shows you every change made to your configurations, who did it and when, and crucially, lets you rewind your tenant configurations back to their ideal state. Finally, build operational resilience into your tenants. To find out more, go to coreview.com. CoreView, build resilience and master complexity for Microsoft 365.